Welcome back. I figured I'd just do this in my kitchen because I had no other space, but something I've been waiting on for a minute. I was a little iffy on getting this, to be honest, because I ain't want to be, you know, I ain't want to be here and there. I wanted to kind of, but I'm gonna still, let me show you what it is first. I bought the California Special front fascia, or fascia, whatever you want to call it, from a 2010 to 2012 Mustang, and today I'm going to show you how to install it. The problem with that is, there's a lot of videos on YouTube, but nobody really shows how to install it. I'm going to try to do it as fast as everybody else seems to make it look as that easy. So, I'm going to show you how to do it as in-depth as I could. And let's go do it now. Got the car supported. I realized that in order to do this, I'm going to have to take the bumper off. Just because I don't see any other way. Even that's just how it is. I don't know when it's going to start raining, but I'm going to try to beat the rain and get it done. So this might run into, like, it might get dark in the video. I'm going to try to lighten it up as much as I can because I am by myself and I gotta do this by myself, but it is what it is. You know what, I changed my mind. I'm gonna have to pick this up tomorrow. All right, brand new day, brand new day. I think this should be easy. I should be able to get it done before the sun goes down, but we'll see. Remove the push pins. Bang, bang, bang. 2 8mm right here. Then I got some 7s down here. 2 7s right here. And then it's a bunch of, I think 7s along, or 8s are along the bottom. So we never have, here on Jrgnthestreet, we never have the proper tools, but we make it do what it do with the ones we got. So, you know what I mean? You want to get in here, pop that thing up right there, pop it up on the other side, just lift it up, bam. Get that cover there off, you know what I mean? There, go right there. You're gonna get your 8mm out real quick. You're gonna get them right off real quick, you know what I mean? We could do it the old, you know. Oop. Pay attention. Cut this out. You gotta do 2 on each side. Coming through real well here. These 2 right here. These are 7mm as well. I was gonna use a swivel socket to get to this one, but I may have to turn the wheel to the side to use it. But I got a 932. I didn't know that this was gonna fit. I just eyed it. Like I got that eye. It's not working the greatest, but you just go ahead and twist that along. See how that's coming out right there? That's coming out real well right there. Put her up on the stands real quick just to make it easier, because now I got to take off these things right here. All them, these are all 7mm too. Once I get those off, I should be able to pry it out, and I can take that off. Alright, I should just pry apart now. Make sure you disconnect your fog light too. Get in there, see, make sure you disconnect your turn signal. And just like that, bumpers up. That's it. That's all I got for today. Gotta get the picture for the gram. On all the other joints. You gotta get in here. This is why you gotta take the bumper off. You gotta take these push pins out. I can already tell. You gotta get this stuff. How did I do this last time? You gotta like pry these clips out here. Popped all of this out. This was a pain. I can't tell you how I did it, but I did it. Plugged up the fog light connections right here. You got a long one and a short one. Now we just got to put the fascia on, and I'll be all right.
Yo, I know you're gonna hate me for saying this, but I don't think this is gonna fit.
It's gonna fit. I will make it.
Please don't say that. You're like, don't scratch my bumper, man.
I will make it.
A little bit
Now you've got yourself something funky.
I think it's good.
Yo, don't over tighten. You just need to tighten them.
They gotta get connected before we can snap it back on. Both those lights. This shit right here. It's dark, but it's okay. We got it all hooked up. You gotta hook up them fog lights down there. Connections, you see they give you longer connections here. And there's one on that side. We line the bumper up, put the screws in, now we just gotta clip everything back on, put it all back together. And I'll show you how it looks. Do they work?
Yeah.
See what they look like.
Yep, lined up too. Yo, do LED. We're doing blue. Like a light blue.
Yeah, I'm gonna get demonized. I'm gonna get all.
HID.
One last look at it at night. Yo, I'm really upset about that paint though. So as promised, the look of it in person, looking all good. For now, car looking good. As y'all seen the chip paint, y'all probably seen it on Instagram or something. The paint just chipped. We're gonna figure out something to do with that. We're gonna figure out what to do with that. Yeah, but the car looks good. If you enjoyed this video, you found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share the channel, and as always, have a nice day.